Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Mantle or MNT token today. So this was known as BitDAO, but they migrated and now it's called MNT. So this token, or you can say this layer 2, it is a layer 2, has been one of the strongest layer 2 as of now. So if we look at the layer 2 coins, if we look at, we have Polygon tanking over 31%, we have Arbitrum tanking over 38%, we have stake stakes 42%, optimism 39, we have immutable 47, stocknet 41, movement 39. So everything has tanked a lot except for the MNT token. As you can see here, this token has remained resilient even though the market has not been that good to the layer 2s. Now this is a governance token and they have one of the strongest treasury out there. I believe their funds are a lot, like they have over, I think something like over 2 billions in treasury, or 1.7 billion, which is a lot, and all of that is controlled by the community, of course. So that's pretty good. Now this is blockchain for the banking, so most of their utility is in the banking sector. For that, they have the first product that they are going with is Mantle Index 4, which is a funds of, I believe, BTC ETH Sol USD, and this is a massive one. As you can see here, the minimum subscription amount is around 100,000, and the management fee is 1%, and transfer agent is securities markets. And as you can see, so this is their RWAs in the market as of now. And another product that they have is the function Bitcoin. As you can see, it has a TVL of 1.46 billion, which is a massive one, over 13 plus BTC and over 13 plus protocols and chain integrations. It is backed by Mantle Self, Galaxy, and this one. Anyways, now this is how it looks like. I think it is one of the biggest BTC, you can say, out there, but again, if you look at its demand, the demand for it is not going up. So it has remained like around 13k, and there has not been that much demand. So that, I think, is a bit concerning. If there was an increase in demand, that means the demand for the MNT should increase, but it doesn't seem like as of now. After that, they have the TVL on their layer 2, around 200 million. As you can see here, it's not doing that well, at least on their layer 2, but on their product it's doing pretty well, I think. Again, this is how it looks like. Everything is just red like the rest of the market, and same applies to the layer 2s. Now they have something called MNT protocol, and this is the TVL of it, as you can see here. So that's pretty good as well. So it is actually governed by the Mantle. As you can see here, this is a liquid staking. After that, they have Mantle restaking as well, and it also has a massive TVL as well. So that's pretty good, I think. Overall, I think that it's combined the combined TVL of the Mantle itself should be around the TVL of the base itself. So I mean the base layer 2, which has a TVL of around 3.6. So I think in terms of DeFi, Mantle is really strong, I think. Now looking at the token itself, or you can say any news, they actually announced this big thing here. So UR, which is UR Neobank, is here, a crypto neobank that helps users spend, save, and more across both fiat and crypto finances in one account. So that's, I think, is going to be the pretty interesting one. So it has Swiss backed multi-currency account, it has debit card options, global banking rail access as well. So this is going to be a massive deal as well, I think, for the Mantle itself. So again, a big win for the Mantle ecosystem, I think. Now looking at the token itself, so now let's talk about this one. So if you look here, we have this is how it looks like after the migration. The token actually ended up hitting its lowest point around 30 cents. So this is its all-time low as of now, so 30 cents. So there's a high chance that if the market goes south as of now, it could actually retest around 30 cents, which is going to be like I believe it's going to be like a 50% or down, so that is going to be a massive deal. Again, after that, if we look here, this zone has been a pretty good zone for the MNT coin itself. So whenever the price actually retest in this zone, so this is a zone that seems to be pretty strong for the MNT. So in between 60 to 47 cent seems to be that there is a lot of demand in the market for the MNT coin, and it seems like that it had a massive pump, as you can see here. This was most likely because of the Neo bank or something like that, but again, as of now we are going down. But I think this whole zone seems to be a pretty good accumulation zone for the MNT token. So if you're in the market and looking to get into the MNT token, this zone should be a pretty good zone for the MNT itself. Now if we look at the MNT's market cap, it has performed quite well. So whenever the market goes up, the MNT's market cap booms, as you can see here. Back in April, it actually ended up hitting 4 billion, and again back again in Jan or in December 2024, it actually ended up hitting again the same market cap. So I think the max cap that we can expect in the next bull run should be the same of around 4.6 billion, or at least compared to others. So I think if the market goes up, there is a high chance that the MNT token will 2x easily from here, and it can actually run as high as 1.4 or even 1.3 if the market improves. But as of now, if we see a small rally, I think there is a high chance that it can actually rally as high as 68 or even higher. If the market rallies, let's just say that Bitcoin goes into the consolidation zone and the Bitcoin dominancy decreases and altcoins starts to go up. If that happens, I think there is a high chance that the MNT itself could actually go as high as this level, which seems to be around 85 to 80 cent. Again, it is unclear if the market crashes. As of now, I think it will most likely go as low as 30 cent or even lower if the market starts to go down, because the 1 billion market cap is still a lot. So there's a high chance if the market actually goes, let's just say that Bitcoin crashes to 50k or even lower than that, I think MNT will probably go even lower than 30 cent. But if that doesn't happen, I think we are most likely going towards 85 to 80, or it will like trade in this zone of accumulation for like let's say that 2 to 3 months. After that, if the market improves, it can actually start to go up. But I think this is a pretty good zone to accumulate the token if you're planning to accumulate it around 60 cent to 47 cent. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.